Are you a woman who doesn't like what she sees in the mirror? Do you feel like your mirror is your worst critic, showing lines and wrinkles and sagginess? I know I felt the same way, but you know, it's not going to get any better unless you do something about it. Well, I'm Debbie. I'm in my late 60s, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to get that glow back and a firmer neck too. Imagine catching a younger version of yourself in the mirror with that timeless, ageless glow. You know, as a woman, we're always doing something for someone else. But you know what? This is your time. You're going to look back on this day and be glad you did this for yourself. Click the link and order now. I'm drawing on decades as a clinical esthetician, helping countless turn back the clock and renew their beauty. Through it all, I've learned one invaluable truth. There's always hope. You're never too old, and it's never too late to embark on a journey of rejuvenating your health, your life, and your appearance. Order my Younger Lift Ageless Glow System with my 3 powerhouse products to renew your skin. And I'll help you with the trickiest part of all, your neck. You know, your neck can make you look 5 to 20 years older. That's why I've included my Ageless Neck program absolutely free. It has a video and audio and a downloadable to track your progress. It only takes about 5 minutes a day. You know, I've had so many clients tell me they've never had compliments on their skin until they started using my product. One of my clients told me she wondered why her Younger Lift products were disappearing so quickly. It turned out her husband was using them too. Studies show that a mindful skincare routine improves your emotional and mental health, improves your self-worth, and encourages self-care. Self-care is not selfish. We all need it. You know, I think you and I are alike. I wanted something to where I could do it at home. I didn't have to go to a clinic or go under the knife. So I think you're in the right place. This will save you time and money, this simple yet effective system. Click the link and order now. You know, toxins can be absorbed by the skin, and some of my clients have received headaches and breakouts and rashes because of chemicals in these products. That's why I created my Younger Lift system, loaded with organic ingredients, nutrients, and vitamins. Let me feed your skin with health. It starts with my Gold Youth Oil. This helps with environmental aging, creates a nourishing skin barrier, and gives you an amazing glow. Breathe in the smell of pomegranates. You'll want to bathe in it. Use a drop of it in your makeup to give even more of a dewy look. Next, use my Firming Eye and Neck Cream. It naturally firms and tightens, improves elasticity, reduces lines and wrinkles. This is the perfect companion to my Ageless Neck program. You'll notice a subtle and relaxing fragrance of lavender. Put a little bit on your lips to make your lipstick go on better. Some even say it improves the shape of their lips. Always, always use a sunscreen of at least an SPF 30. You know, 80 to 90% of wrinkles are caused by the sun, but the blue light on our phone and computers will also damage your skin and cause brown spots. So use a sunscreen with zinc oxide to protect your skin from your devices. In the evening after cleansing, use my glycolic facial cream. This fresh-smelling cream will brighten your skin, improve your texture, decrease sunspots, lines, and wrinkles. Imagine how beautiful your skin will look. Order my Younger Lift Ageless Glow System, which includes these 3 amazing products to make your skin look younger. And I'll also include this Ageless Neck program free, a $97 value and a total of $225 value for just $89. Don't wait, get started today, look younger tomorrow. Click the link and order now.